pecan wood chunk for some smoke. Turkey breast right there. That's an almost 5-pound turkey breast. And does it look nice right there? So it's that time of month. It's November, which means turkey, 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 turkey. So that's why I got the Weber Kettle, Hot Rod. Got the turkey breast. Season it with the Salt Lick rub, my favorite right there. So I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna keep the temp of the kettle at 250 to 275, and you know, just take my time on it. It's about to get dark soon, so sun settling. It's gonna hit a little close to 5:30, but that's all right. I'm gonna let it ride, let it smoke with the pecan. Add some more pecan wood chunks, add some more B&B briquettes as I go along. So let's just take it easy. Let's vibe to this cook right here and enjoy your stay. Wow, look at that color in the sky. That is beautiful. That sun's going down. It's about to be nighttime. Look at that. That's beautiful. Hot rod going. I don't know if you can hear, but the neighbors got a party going at a bouncy house. Maybe I should get in the bouncy house. Yeah, look at that Weber go. Smoking that pecan. Where's the temp at? A little over 250. Yeah, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, it's been an hour. Look at that. There's the wood chunk. Man, that is looking good, right? Put it down there. All right, well, I'm gonna let it keep going and then see how long it goes. Look at her smoke. Yeah, she a sexy beast, right? A hot rod. Yeah, towards the end of the cook, I'm also going to wrap the breast in foil and add some butter to it. Yeah, let it finish off that way. And then once it gets the temp that I wanted, around 165, and then I'll let it rest when I take it off, and then I'll slice into it. Alright, I want to check the temp. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gotten a nice color to it. Beautiful. I'm going to top off the briquettes, but let's check the temp. 28, 31, 31, 32. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off, wrap it, and add some sticks of butter to it. Alright, added a for the temp, get the temp on there. And I'm gonna add some more bean be just to keep it going for the rest of the cook. Get one more in there. So you can see right now, it's reading at 136. So we're going to take it to 165. Let's finish it off. Alright. Well, we're at 160. We're getting close. I'm going to take it off at 165. But right now, it's kicking at 300 right now. The Weber, I let it go up to that number, so I'm good with that. It's wrapped anyway, so you know, heat's not going to do damage to the breast, so just let it go like that. And you know, when you get to wrapping, you can always jump up the temp on your grill or your smoker, because it's not going to have any effect on the meat because it's wrapped. It's going to help cook faster too. But yeah, 162. So we're getting there. Well, time to get out of my chair. We hit 165. So the temp has dropped down to close to 275. So I'm going to take it off, let it rest, and then I'm going to slice into it. It's so dark out here. There it is. And what do you think? Look at that. Oh yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Oh man. Alright. Let's slice into it. Oh yeah. Not dry at all. I'm gonna take a bite. Alright. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, there you go. Focus in there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, man. It smells so good. Smell that butter. You can smell the rub. This is awesome. This is so tender. Oh my God. This has to be the best turkey breast I've ever cooked. Look at that, it just pulls apart. Oh man, that is awesome. That is delicious. Oh man. So let's do a recap. 3 hours total cook time, about an hour and 45 minutes unwrapped and the rest time wrapped. Whenever it was unwrapped, the kettle be from 250 to 275, but then whenever I did wrap it, I let it go up to 300. And once it hit 165, took it off, let it rest. And it is a boneless, skinless turkey breast. Oh man, I don't know if you're gonna get it. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that something? Just look at that color. Man. Alright. So it's turkey time, right? So after this video, go out, get you a whole turkey, turkey breast, turkey legs, whatever it is. Go out and cook it. It's just like me, you can enjoy this delicious turkey. Alright, well, that's it for it. This is the video. I'm gonna go inside because this is some delicious breast. I'm gonna finish it off inside, not all of it. But as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh man, it is so good.